To the fullback. We'll get confirmation on that for you in a moment or two. In the meantime, Hotto delivers with the left foot. Jima and Morbi in each other's way, but Pirates Mahopa and now Hotto. This is on his right foot. And Sangare might want a third game. Now, good turn here for Sekhukhune. Hotto. Hotto's ball inside here now. It's the casual Jose Ribeiro. Tapelo Koki, for example, would be one who gets a bit of a rest today. He's on the bench and in his place. Possession turned over. Hotto just Sangani here on this right-hand side. Mahopa being watched by Cardoso. It's a good challenge from the ever-reliable. Still against relegation, which they eventually lost. He's still got to prove himself in front of goal. This is a lovely ball inside. Goes on just come back onto the right-hand side. This is Monyane. Little cross in there. It's dealt with by Jima once more. And Monyane gets a touch in. This is a chance for and now Masangani out to the right. It was a touch.
Skewed his opportunity.
Header away from Jima again. Snapped up by the other clubs around the DSTV Premiership. Now Kimbudi, that's a little too strong from Launch. Now Izo, he's got Weber to his right. Dar chasing across now. Weber gets the ball. Classic counter top scorer in the last 2 seasons for usually snapped up by
The three passes gives them opportunity to be ready with an excellent ball.
Kimbudi. Monyane calling for it. He's unmarked here on the right hand side. Quick ball inside, good chance. Masangani using his size, using some force as well. In the end, into the side netting. Quality player in began his career at Stellenbosch. He takes us away here. Weber with the left foot. Touch from Mahopa. In the first round. Now here is Weber. Lovely skills. And the shot in on Buthelezi. This is lovely running from Mokwana, but then two on the right hand side. Here comes the cross. It's a disappointing one from the Bafana fullback. I think he was in two minds. Weber to take it along the ground. Cleared by turn it on in the second half. Miss a penalty of their own as well. Now here's Kimbudi. They're waiting in the middle. Sangare holds on at the second attempt. Stellenbosch and Richards Bay. Now the skills of Kimbudi to the byline, and the last touch from Avocha. We're certainly getting to hear a fair amount of it.
Just to try and direct that on target. And he jumped a little bit too early.
Inside will be. Launch now. Gets a deflection. Sangare being marshalled by Monare. Back inside from Mokwana, and instead of going for the full Sibisi. Launch, still launch, look how many defenders keeping an eye on him. Back post, and look at Jima, nice and Keita. Launch, blocked. Straight out of Kize, now it's within throw goal.
Mark, he was pulled off just before the end of the game there, from penalties. And short.
And this is Uiza rather. Square ball inside. He's looking for Sekhukhune. Let's see where Stanton Frederick's trifecta comes in tonight. This is a bit hotter. Goes for goal, on target. He waits in the middle. And Dar gets the touch.
Catch him on the counter.
Launch. That's not going into payment, but that's a free corner. Header away from Cardoso. With that left foot, gets the cross in towards the back post. And Dar's there. For the combinations with Namibia. Leon says the referee as Hotto goes down. Sitoli, Tia, ball inside, looking for Rizzo, just for away. Moody to Hotto. In goes Hotto. Nice interception there. Cardoso up in the air. In from the launch again. On the outside of the foot to Sitoli. Can he get a decent ball across? Half an hour or so. This is launch into the penalty area. Nice little touch. This one going in with the left foot. So just the one change for the moment. Never's going to stay on. Rondo had lost possession. And so he's taking it away from Dar. Now Mokwana comes away. It's just a little too strong, that first touch. It's now going to be making the changes. Vincent Pule, welcome return for him, and Mofokeng up to Mokwana. He's going to attack to the byline. Can he get this across? Lovely stuff from Mokwana. Oh, he should get the free kick. Mofokeng. Nice ball in, and keeper was out, but they were taking no chance. Now Hotto. Hotladisa. Hotto gets it square. Not convinced. Pule, Mofokeng, surely a chance.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
Continued. Working. Other movement. Tracking the defenders. Forced to Moniani. Doesn't miss. Slowly from the net there. And it's Mofokeng. The brilliance to unlock that defence, and Moniani to nail.
Cardoso loses our chance. Mofokeng. Leon, advantage. Hotto, that's a little sloppy. Trying to be clever, gets the possession away. Now, Tia. Cross inside here, Buthelezi doesn't spot it. They were waiting. Really looking to make one more change. They've got Mokele, who scored their last goal. A sign of some improvement after what's been a very busy last 3 weeks for the club. Oizo. The counter here now. Launch. Hotladisa. Clearance by Cardoso. Not very far though. That's good persistence from Mokwana now. Can they get the ball across? Looking for Orizo. Watch. Good running out from Pule, but Jima cuts that out. And Launch is now finding a second win here in the closing stages. That's 79 as well, by the way. The world champions. And also more.
There it is, final whistle. So Jose Rivera gets a third league win of the season. 3 out of 9 goes across.